Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Tiguan. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, wheel locks, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio radio, touchscreen display, CarNet satellite communications, audio speed-sensitive volume control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, first aid kit, airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation, tachometer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.